You're paying for 12 subscriptions that all do the same thing. Hold your data hostage on someone else's computer. Everyone has an open source twin that runs on a $5 box you own. One honest catch up front, you need that box and you own the updates and the backups. But learn Docker once and this whole list is copy-paste. Let's go. Number 1. Vaultwarden. It replaces a paid password manager like 1Password, about $3 to $10 a month. It's a lightweight, fully compatible Bitwarden server, so all the official apps just work. One container, and your passwords live on your hardware. Number 2. Immich. It replaces Google Photos or iCloud, roughly $2 to $10 a month. Automatic phone backup, face recognition, a full timeline and albums, all self-hosted. It's the best-in-class pick, nobody can leave off the list. Number 3. Nextcloud. It replaces Google Drive, Dropbox, even Microsoft 365, about $2 to $12 a month. Files, calendar, contacts, and documents in one place. The all-in-one Docker image gets you running in minutes. Number 4. Paperless-ngx. It replaces a cloud document manager, about $5 to $15 a month. Scan any document and it reads the text, tags it, and makes every word searchable. Your entire paper life indexed on your own box. Number 5. Jellyfin. It replaces Plex Pass, about $5 to $15 a month. A completely free media server for the movies and shows you already own. No paywall features, no account. To be clear, it plays your media, not Netflix's catalog. Number 6. Open Web UI. Pointed at local models, it replaces ChatGPT plus $20 a month. It's a polished chat interface for Olama and any local model. The honest catch, it only kills the subscription if you run local models, not paid APIs. Number 7. Deploy. It replaces Vercel, Netlify or Heroku, about $20 to $40 a month. Push your code and it deploys, with databases, domains and SSL handled for you. A self-hosted platform as a service, one command to install. Number 8. Pangolin. It replaces Cloudflare Tunnel, Tailscale or paid ngrok, about $5 to $20 a month. It exposes your self-hosted apps to the internet securely through your own tunnel. This is the piece that ties the whole setup together. Number 9. Uptime Kuma. It replaces Pingdom or Better Uptime, about $10 to $30 a month. Beautiful uptime monitoring and status pages for everything you run with alerts to anywhere. One container, done. Number 10. Sterling PDF. It replaces Acrobat Pro or I Love PDF, about $10 to $20 a month. Merge, split, sign, convert, every PDF operation you'd normally pay for right in your browser, and the files never leave your machine. Number 11. DocMost. It replaces Notion or Confluence, about $8 to $15 a month. A clean wiki and docs workspace with real-time collaboration. Your team's knowledge base self-hosted, not rented. Number 12. Karakeep, formerly Hoarder. It replaces Pocket, Raindrop or Readwise, about $5 to $10 a month. Save links, notes and images, and a local AI auto tags all of it. Your read it later list that you actually own. Added up, that's about $120 to $250 a month, replaced by one $5 box you control. And here's the real point. You learn Docker once and every single one of these is the same copy-paste move. You're not just saving money, you're taking your data back off someone else's computer. One bonus to swap in: Umami, a private replacement for Google Analytics. Grab the full list in the description and subscribe. This is Cyber Creed.